Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the October 29th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. We have a powerhouse storm system back in the nation's midsection, causing anything from flooding to severe weather to heavy snow. Let's get into that. First of all, a couple tornado watches out this morning in the Red River Valley there, Texas and Oklahoma. And that severe weather threat will continue spreading through much of the lower Mississippi Valley and the southern plain states today. There's a rather large slight risk area put out by the SPC. Now, the other facets of this big storm system, snow, very significant. We have seen up to 2 feet of snow in many Rocky Mountain locations. That heavy snow spreading through the northern plain states today. And then finally, flooding, once again a problem, as there'll be some pretty heavy rain all the way from Texas up through a good chunk of the Mississippi River Valley. That's the radar image from just prior to 5 o'clock this morning. Showers and some thunderstorms breaking out in the deep south and the lower Mississippi Valley, line of storms in Texas and Oklahoma, and then there's all that snow back in the colder air. Again, there's the showers breaking out in Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, and Arkansas, and that's the beginning of the moisture that will begin increasing here tonight. That's how it looks up at the upper levels. Big upper level lows sitting over parts of New Mexico and Colorado, snow on the northern side of that, and still a ridge sitting over the southeastern part of the country, including our area. That's sort of giving us a nice day today, much like what we saw yesterday afternoon. Here's our setup. We'll see a lot of sunshine for much of the day, but highs today in the low to maybe some mid-70s. But late this afternoon and then certainly tonight, clouds will begin to increase, and it looks like sort of a cloudy, drizzly, foggy night tonight. And then a lot of clouds with us through the day tomorrow, but probably not any measurable rain. The heavy rain will be back in the lower Mississippi Valley, even up toward the upper Mississippi Valley tomorrow. In fact, there's the HPC's outlook for the accumulation of rain today and tomorrow. And we're talking 5 and 6 inch rain totals from Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, up toward parts of Missouri and southern Illinois. So more significant rain in areas that have already seen a lot of rain over the past several months. All right, now let's go out to Saturday. Of course, Saturday's Halloween, and we're getting a little better consensus now on the timing of this front. It looks like we'll see dry conditions during the daylight hours Saturday, but Saturday night, that's when the shower chance rolls through. So for the trick-or-treaters, Saturday evening, it could be close, but we might be able to see the showers hold off until after the trick-or-treating activities are finished Saturday evening. High Saturday, warm significantly ahead of that front, mid to maybe even some upper 70s in some spots. Sunday, we're behind the front, so maybe a couple morning showers Sunday, but probably dry Sunday afternoon. Highs on Sunday backing down into the 60s. And then a really docile weather week next week. No major storm systems are set to roll through. That's a look at Monday. Cooler air settling in. Looks like, again, highs in the 60s Monday. Same deal Tuesday. A big Arctic high pressure, settles into the eastern part of the U.S. there on Tuesday and Wednesday. So it looks like by midweek we'll see lows back down into the 30s next week and highs in the 60s, maybe even on the coolest day, some highs backing down toward the upper 50s next week. So it looks like a cool and quiet weather week next week with lots of sunshine. And one final thing to show you, this is a look at the European model here in Eastern Asia. This is valid coming up Sunday evening, 8 o'clock in the evening. Significant trough pushing into Eastern Asia. And for those of you that have followed my videos for a while, that's one of my favorite teleconnections as to what might happen down the road in the eastern U.S. A lot of times, whatever happens in Eastern Asia winds up happening in the eastern part of the country 6 to 10 days later or so. And so it looks like maybe a pretty good shot of some cold air coming into the eastern part of the country maybe by the 7th to 10th of November. So certainly things to watch here as we go through the next couple of weeks as we ease from fall closer into that winter season. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a wonderful Thursday, and God bless.